Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML programming. First, understand that HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundational language for creating web pages. You'll need a basic text editor like Notepad or VS Code to write your code. Create a new file and save it with a HTML extension, for example, index.html. This tells your browser it's a web document. Next, let's build the essential structure. Every HTML document begins with doctype HTML to declare the document type. Then you'll have the HTML tags, which enclose all other content. Inside HTML, you'll find the head and body sections. The head contains metadata, like the title that appears in your browser tab. The body holds all visible page content, including headings from H1 to H6. Now let's add some content. Use the P tag for paragraphs of text. To include images, use the im tag, specifying the image source. For navigation, the tag creates hyperlinks, allowing users to click to other pages or sections. You can also organize information effectively using unordered lists with all and ordered lists with all tags. To make your pages visually appealing, you'll introduce CSS, or cascading style sheets. You can apply styles directly within HTML elements or internally within the head section using style tags. For larger projects, link an external CSS file for better organization. Explore semantic HTML5 elements like header and nav for better structure. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering HTML and web development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.